When you present, the first impression of you as a speaker is everything. The very few words that come out of your mouth are not at all as important as what your body is saying right then and there. So this video is about body language. Yes, how to make a great first impression, what nonverbal clues to focus on. I'm going to give you 3 great tips you need to know and use, of course, to make a killer first impression. So basically, you need to come across as confident, calm, centered, in control of the situation, so control, and congruent. Congruence is extremely important in the field of public speaking. You achieve the state of congruence when your verbal language matches your body language, to put it simply, I guess. So when your actions match your thinking and your feeling. So what are the nonverbal clues that help you convey a congruency and also come across as confident? On or off stage, it's not important. These 3 tips are going to help you immensely. They are the 3 most important body language tips that will work their magic in basically any setting. So number one is your speaker stance. The way you hold yourself on stage conveys confidence, and that confident stance is upright, like shoulders back, legs straight, not too wide apart, hip level, feet pointing straight forward, backbone straight. You can practice the confident stance by kind of pulling yourself up by just one string of your hair. It can be like a real string or just imaginary, just pretend you're extending your height. Backbone straightens, shoulders pull back like wow, voila, here you are, confident and ready to speak up. Number 2, make sure your palms are visible to your audience and to whoever you're talking to. How you hold your hand says everything about how much you are open and giving to your audience. Hands away from your vital parts, like you have nothing to hide. If you're protecting yourself here or maybe by the neck, you're kind of saying to people that they are in danger, that you are in danger. So make sure your palms are visible to your audience. Open palms kind of represent not bearing arms, nothing to hide. Here you are, giving, open, honest, and ready to share your gifts with the world. Number 3, prolonged eye contact. The most important nonverbal sign of your truthfulness is eye contact. Your eyes are the doorway into your soul. By holding extended, prolonged eye contact with your audience, or with your boss, or with your friend, or with your partner, you extend an open invitation into your inner world. Remember, poor liars avoid eye contact. Great liars, they know how to hold it. But let's assume you are the future voice who, of course, speaks your truth. So look them in the eye, open your arms, stand up straight, and speak your truth. With these 3 nonverbal clues, you are in your full presence and you're speaking volumes to your audience and also to yourself. Let's not forget, you are also the very important person listening to you, observing you, forming an opinion about yourself. So demonstrating confidence in your own brain, basically. You're using your mind to communicate to your brain that you know what you're talking about and that you're ready to take the lead.